Hello, my beautiful friends. I'm Janet. Welcome to my channel where I hope to inspire you to create a home and a life you love. Well, this is officially week 4 of my construction journey. I've been sharing the day-by-day, play-by-play, and what's been happening every week here on my current renovation project. So this week starts with day 17. Now, if you're just tuning in and you want to catch up and see what's been going on week 1, 2, and 3, I'll leave links to those videos below. All right, let's get into week 4. So in the morning on day 17, we got a little bit of rain. And when I thought we were rained out, I went to the local thrift store to see if I could find any cool items for staging. I typically thrift both furniture and home decor items to stage the property when I put it on the market. And I did find a few cute things. After that, I went to Home Depot to pick out the light fixtures, and I found 2 that I liked. Not sure which one I'm going to use yet. After that, I ran home to pick up some brick for Rene because when the rain stopped, he told me he was going to come to work on the stoop.
This is my friend Rene, the Renaissance man.
He needed to level and prepare the concrete base of the stoop to put the stone on top of that later. And so I hauled and loaded a bunch of bricks, put them in my car, brought them over to the job site. Luckily, I had help here to unload the bricks when I arrived. And so I got the bricks delivered over here. Since all of the boards were removed from the windows last week and we got new glass put in the windows, Mike was able to start prepping the paint on the windows. And so when the rain stopped, he was able to start some painting of those windows. Day 18. Day 18 was a beautiful day. It was about 70 degrees out. I could not believe it. Everybody was having a good time. Everybody was like dancing and singing and having a great time when I got back to the job site. Since the weather was so beautiful, I decided to shoot a little bit of a walk around of the building just to keep track of the progress and to be able to discuss with the crews what's been done, what needs to be done, and kind of review the work and the job in general.
We are finishing up the outside work. I think I've said that like 12 times. Well, this project is a little bit weird because we don't have gas yet, so we don't have...
Don't worry, Miss Cole, we're going to make your house look real pretty.
Anyway, because we don't have power, we can't start inside without heat. We don't have gas yet. There is a huge hang up with Nicor, the gas company, and our city of Evanston is not cooperating because they just put a moratorium on installing gas meters, which could delay the project till spring. But I was trying to this fall get all the outside work finished so that by the time the gas came on, which was supposed to be by December 4th, we could then start working inside. But it looks like now we may be even more delayed. So I'm not sure yet if I'm going to change the heat to be an electric furnace, or if I am going to just get a generator, use portable heaters to progress on the work inside, or if we're just going to halt and wait and play it safe. I'd like to just move forward, get the project done. But the entire outside will be finished, and the reason we jump-started on the outside was because once it gets cold, you can't paint, you can't do stonework. Most of the work we needed to do outside, we needed good weather for. So we got really lucky with a super warm fall, kind of an Indian summer even. It's like 70 today in November. I'll take you on a little walk around, show you what's been going on here, then I will keep you posted on the progress of the job. Rene is picking up the stone right now, which is going to cover this stoop, and then there's also going to be a blue stone sidewalk here. Mike will be painting this window today black. He's finishing up on the other windows now, and V is working on breaking up the last bit of concrete, and then we're going to be rototilling and leveling the backyard. So here's how things are looking. All of this has been power washed, the brick, everything's been painted. The doors are going to be painted last because we can work on those even after the weather gets cold because the doors open in, so we can work on them later. So I'm having Mike finish up everything else on the outside, windows, trim, etc. There he is now.
Mike was able to really knock out a lot of the outside painting on the windows. He painted the front window trim black, and his cut lines between the black and the white were just so perfect. He paints like these exact, perfect, straight, clean cut lines. It's beautiful. I love the quality of his painting. He did a really great job painting those front windows black. I love it.
I cannot believe, look at this. I cannot believe how perfect this is.
It's going to be really perfect when it's got a second coat on.
Keep up the good work, Mike. This is what I like to see. Looking good. Really, really rocks. I mean, this is like, I don't know if people will be able to tell on video, but like this is such a good paint job.
The weather was so nice on this day that I decided to run to Home Depot to pick up a rototiller so V could rototill the backyard while the soil was nice and warm. Love the 70-degree weather this late in the season. Anyway, after he rototilled the entire yard, Rene came and he laid out some sample stone on the stoop so we could see what that design would look like. And at the end of a long work day, rototilling, painting, and getting the stoop prepared and the stone laid out, I had to go back to Home Depot to return the rototiller.
I am V. I'm about to lift some heavy machinery.
He's our superhero.
I'm wondering if I should carry it all the way in.
Oh my God, you're insane.
It has wheels, but a guy like me, who needs wheels?
Day 19. Well, yesterday was a beautiful day and we got a lot of outside work done. Today, Mike puts up the paint sample for the front door and I look at it and I am just not in love with it. I like the color blue, but it just doesn't look right with the color of the stone that I selected and with the roof. I wanted something punchy that would jump out and this just doesn't really work. And it also doesn't look good with the brick on the side of the house, which is the original brick. We painted the face brick, but not the side. And that blue just doesn't work with all the colors going on. So got to think of some other paint colors. It's not going to be gray. Please, not gray. But I have no idea what color to do the outside front door. Inside, everything's going to be white on white with some black accents. The front of the house is white with black trim around the windows. So I wanted more of a modern, punchy exterior, but that blue is just not working. Help me decide the outside door paint color. Because we had such great weather yesterday, I knew we were going to lose the weather today, and it was going to drop like 50 degrees. So I had to run to Home Depot to get more exterior paint. So while I'm at Home Depot buying the exterior paint that Mike requested for the fence, I'm looking at the paint sample book on the counter while I'm waiting, and I see a color that I kind of like that may work for the front door. So I get a little sample of it and bring it back to see what everybody would think. And I don't think the guys were that excited by it, but I think it might look really, really good. So we'll see what happens with that. So they think the color looks like pink, but it's really like a beigey neutral. And I think it would look great, especially with the brick on the side of the house, and it wouldn't conflict with any of the other colors that are going on here because it's a very basic neutral. Well, while I was gone, Rene started installing the sidewalk, and he surprises me with a huge stone stoop that I had originally picked out, but then it was out of stock.
A surprise for me?
Yeah. Close your eyes.
Well, hold on before I trip. Okay. Are you supposed to be videotaping me with my eyes closed, or what I'm not able to look at? Don't let me trip. Can I look down so I don't trip? Oh my God.
Go down anytime you go up, baby. Right there. Stop. All right. Open your eyes.
Need a pickup? What? Oh my God. I didn't even see this. Wow, that looks awesome.
You see what kind of stone it is?
Wait, they gave the sample? I asked for the sample and
They did?
yeah, and they said no. Oh my God, I guess so.
Connections.
We got a step. Looks so good. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, it was cool. It was nice. I was excited when I got it. I knew you were going to be surprised.
I am. Awesome. It's really good. Because I had Mike and V and everybody painting the outside fence. I even had to jump in to get that fence done before dark, and boy, was it getting cold outside. We were able to install the video doorbells today, so that was a big plus because I want to keep the building secure. And we got that done while we were freezing our butts off outside. Well, it's day 19 and a half. Yes, you heard me right, 19.5. Today was not supposed to be a work day, so I didn't come to the job site. I went thrifting to check out the Skylight Foundation's new store. I'll leave the link to their information below if you want to check them out. They have some great treasures. Anyway, while I was away, Rene came to the job site and decided to do some work and surprise me. And since he knows I like to shoot a daily update video, he decided to take matters into his own hands and do some videography for me. Let's check it out.
Hi, beautiful friends. It's Janet here. My guy Mike and I, you're making this house look nice. Oh, sorry, we got it. Here's Mike. Hi, Mike. Mike is the guy. And then whoever's doing the stonework is, incredible. It's coming along. Look at those big pieces. They're pretty heavy. I don't know how these guys do it. Oh my God, I could not do that myself.
He surprised me with that, so that was really exciting. He's really good. I can't believe it.
He came out nice. It didn't take him forever.
Jeez.
You can tell he's done it a lot. He's leveling it.
I think it's really exceptional, and I think, like, especially in this neighborhood, it's just going to elevate things. I mean, I hope it inspires other people to, like, I want to redo everyone's front yard here now. Because nobody has this. I mean,
there's not really a lot of...
And also, the secret is, this looks like bluestone, but it's not. It's stamped concrete.
Yep, and you get the rock with it. That's what's really good.
And one more thing. Look how good Rene's artistry looks with Mike's incredibly beautiful painted window. All right, time to pick a paint color for the front door. Do we like the blue? What are the votes for Brittany blue? Gotta also see it from the side because the face brick is only painted, not the side brick. You'll also see it with this paint color. Brick color. Paint color number 2, TETON blue. Who likes this color? It's got a little bit more gray in it, but it's not gray. Please don't tell me this looks gray. And here is this color with the side brick. Color number 3, Adobe Sand. I think it's important to also look at the paint color, not just on the front of the house, but because there's a different face brick and side brick, it's important that the front door color looks good with the side. Which color do you like? Brittany blue, TETON blue, or Adobe Sand? Leave a comment below. Since today was really supposed to be a day off for Mike, but the guys decided to surprise me, Mike at least took half the day off to watch the game, Dallas, his favorite team. And then later that night, we had a celebratory champagne toast to celebrate the small stuff. After our toast, we had a surf and turf dinner. Well, day 19 and a half rounds out the end of week 4. It was a short work week, small but mighty. We got a lot done as we were racing to get exterior work done before the weather shifted. So that's the end of week 4. Thank you so much for joining me today on week 4 of the construction journey and for following along as I flip this house. If you want to see week 1, 2, and 3 of the construction journey, I'll leave links for those videos below, as well as a pre-construction tour of what the house looked like before I started the transformation. Please remember to hit the like button if you like this video, subscribe, hit the bell, do all those other fun things below. And until next time, ciao for now.